Welcome to Moemate Tutorials. Today we'll answer the question of, how do I connect Moemate to Twitch? So the first thing you want to do is go over here and click on the menu icon. The next thing you want to do is navigate up here to the Twitch button and click it. This will open up a menu with a couple of different settings in here. For now, the first thing you want to do is click Login to Twitch. Once you click on the button, a window should appear and ask you to enter in your credentials. Please do so. The Twitch login credential page should look something like this. After you've allowed Moemate permissions, when you go back into your Moemate menu and click on the Twitch button, you will then see your username up here. Now, in order to start streamer mode, you have to click this button here and turn this setting on called streamer mode. If you decide or want any of these other things enabled, go ahead and enable. This will allow Moemate to react to different things. Specifically, show chat is the biggest one that you want to keep on if you want Moemate to react to just any message that comes into your chat. The next thing I want to bring your attention to is the log refresh interval. The higher you put this slider, the more seconds will be added to the number down here. Or you can type in your own number. The lower the interval, the more frequent Moemate will react to the chat in your stream. Alright, here I've started a simple stream to illustrate and to show what the interaction is like. So we're going to go in here, make sure show chat is on, streamer mode is on, refresh rate is at 10. I can now go in here and type a message. Hello, tell me about galaxies. There we go. And after a moment...
Hey there! Seems like we've dived straight into chatting and I forgot to ask your name. Could you tell me so I can address you properly?
And that is an overview on how to use the Twitch features of Moemate. Thank you.